we're starting our hike. It is 10:44. It's cooler. We really planned it that way because we don't want to be hiking on a 78-degree weather. Gonna be out and back 6-mile hike today with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is gonna be our last hike with this iPhone, and this is the last video I'm gonna be making for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the last episode. It is not just a journey, but it's a profound test for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Today we don't have a case. We don't even have a pop socket there to hold it. We're gonna see how it holds. We'll see if I drop it. It's a bit sunny and it's going to be 78 degrees the highest today. Good thing we started the hike early. I love this iPhone because I could easily click, oh no, slippery. Easily click the camera control right there and transfer it to video and then start recording. It's difficult to hold it without a phone grip or anything in the back because the phone is super slippery. The disadvantage of bringing your phone outdoors without a case and without a phone grip. Look like I have mohawk. Wow, yeah, it does have a tree there that's red. Every time I order an iPhone, I always go for the base storage. But this time when I was ordering the new iPhone, I couldn't get the base storage, so I had to order the 512 instead. I could say right now I made the good decision to get the 512 because my storage right now is running out. I'm taking videos with 4K and look at my storage. That is red right there. 245.66 of 256 gigabytes. I can see the river. Look at this. ATVers go down here. That is very scary. We're nearing the river here. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Watch this. I bought an extendable. See, this is the disadvantage of not having a case. It's slippery. But I have the extendable here for my X5. And then look at this. It can go further and further and further and further. More that way. Good. Look it. I'm kind of far from you. You see this? What trees are these? Cedars. Currently 75 degrees right now. In the last 5 minutes that the iPhone 16 Pro Max is feeling a little bit hot in my pocket. I think it's because of the beta software that I have on my phone. I'm currently about to update it with a new beta. Maybe it's because of that. That's why it's getting hot, especially with this temperature. Bye! Just kidding. I'm taking you with me.
Pace 36 minutes, 20 seconds per mile.
There's another orange. Wow, looks beautiful. We'll take a quick video. This is a good spot for camping. Why would they throw trash in the fire ring? I'm gonna lay down here. We have the Apple Watch Ultra 2. There was a new one that was released last year. I didn't get that because that's basically the same as the ones from 2023. They just added one color, which is the black. It started as 100% and now it is at 86% after 3.77 miles. It's not in low power mode. 86% is pretty good after 2 hours. Even if you're not into hiking or backpacking, this is such a good Apple Watch to buy. I swear the battery is really good. So we just did our hill right there. I feel good about that. That I was able to survive. Doing great so far. I'm now getting used to the feel of the naked iPhone without the case and actually with my hand. So, because it's, like I said, it's hot, right? So with my hand being a little bit sweaty, it kind of helps with the grip. Saying it like that is kind of weird, but it actually is, and I don't feel like it's slippery right now anymore, so that kind of helps. But still, I don't recommend hiking with this without a case. Don't want to drop your phone, and I haven't dropped it yet. I'm very careful. This hike is almost ending. It's beautiful, it's sunny. Oh my gosh, there's a tree right there that's orange. I'll take a video here in a second. Video this tree. Look at that. It's the only tree among all the trees around here that's orange. That's probably the same color as the orange silicone case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I can't wait to review it. Really sad that we're done with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I've done a ton of hikes with this. Enjoyed it so much because of the camera control. It's the best thing that ever happened on an iPhone, especially in the winter when I'm wearing gloves. I've said that on one of my videos. I have a connection on this iPhone 16 Pro Max, but not as connected as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I don't know why. I'm actually ready for the new iPhone. A good phone to have when you're hiking. Reliable companion when hiking. It's been a year. I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it, Joshua? Taking pictures of these and videos? Yes, I am so very excited for Friday. We are gonna pick it up. Share your experiences, guys. Are you upgrading or are you like in the previous iPhones and still is keeping it? How's your iPhone doing right now? Share your comments down in the description box. And yeah, share your upgrade cycles too. Thank you so much for joining us in hiking in the North Country Trail. You have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on Friday. Bye!